Today's piece is called Hungry Herbie Hippo, and it's from the Level 1 Piano Safari repertoire book. And this piece is intended to be taught by ROTE, which means you'll be working alongside your teacher to learn the patterns in this piece. You'll learn the sounds of this piece, and you will be playing it without the score in front of you. So today we'll be taking a look at what notes we'll be using, and we're going to use this group of 3 black keys, then the group of 2 black keys as well, and then we'll use a lower down group of 3. Now I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it into a few easier steps. It sounds like this. Now let's take a look at that with a bit of sloth speed so you can get feeling great about introducing this piece or about playing it yourself. So this one starts with finger 2 on the top of the group of 3 black keys and finger 2 in your left hand on the bottom. The left hand will always stay there, and the right hand is going to move to these 2 and then these 2. It'll repeat that 3 times. And then at the end, you're going to take turns with stepping down and then 3 on the bottom. I'll show you how that might work. The other tip I have is that it's very tempting to play with just your 2 fingers poking out, but I do like to encourage students to soften up their hands and to play using their whole arms so it feels light and relaxed to play this piece. So we're going to always have your left hand in between each right hand note like this. Herbie Hippo eats his leaves, and then you're going to repeat that the second time. Herbie Hippo likes his grass, but the third time. Herbie Hippopotamus, he really wants a cheeseburger. So I love the surprise at the end is that the left hand plays 3 notes in a row, cheeseburger, without the left hand in between. So I hope that is a fun-filled piece for you to introduce to your students, or if you're a student, you give it a try for yourself. There's also a wonderfully fun teacher duet that your teacher can play with you, and this is a great resource for learners. They have a vast library of supports for this method, and I hope you take a look. Thanks for joining me.